Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. I usually wake up at 7. My alarm rings and I get up. I stretch my arms and smile. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink a hot cup of tea. It makes me feel ready for the day. Then I choose my clothes. I wear jeans and a simple shirt. I brush my hair. I check my bag. I take my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I see other people going to work. This is my morning routine. What about you? Thanks for watching.